Welcome back to our channel, where we explore groundbreaking ideas. Today, we dive into Lesson 3 of Marxist Philosophy. Top-level thinking in Marxist philosophy. This pea shooter is the backyard security guard protecting its owner. The antagonistic relationship between it and the zombies represents the connection between different entities. It sustains itself through photosynthesis, absorbing nutrients via its roots and leaves. This is an internal connection within the entity. All things in a connection influence, restrict, and interact with one another. For instance, weaker producers help unlock stronger warriors, while the warriors in turn protect the producers. This illustrates the interplay and mutual influence within relationships. However, in a limited space, adding one more producer means reducing space for a warrior, demonstrating the restrictive nature of connections. But whether it's the connection between different things or the internal connection within a thing, these relationships do not change according to human will, making connectivity objective. This is the first characteristic of connection. Dialectical materialism holds that everything is interconnected. From a single plant to the entire Earth, all things exist as an interconnected whole rather than in isolation. Therefore, connectivity is universal, making this its second characteristic. The cooperative relationship between sunflowers and pea shooters, the antagonistic relationship between pea shooters and zombies. These connections can be direct or indirect, necessary or accidental, internal or external. They reflect the diversity of the material world. And since the material world is diverse, connections must also be diverse. This is the third characteristic of connection. However, all connections are conditional. For example, planting a plant depends on whether the land is available. If there's no vacant space, the connection between the plant and the soil is interrupted. But conditions can change. When faced with unfavorable conditions, taking action can turn disadvantages into advantages. Thus, connectivity is conditional, which is its fourth characteristic. Favorable conditions promote development, while unfavorable conditions hinder it. And development is the inevitable result of mutual interactions within universal connections. So, how do interconnected things develop, and how should we view development when facing it? Stay tuned for the next episode.